Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 29 from the 2017 Math Kangaroo grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. Julia has 4 different colored pencils and wants to use some or all of them to color the map of an island divided into 4 countries as shown in the picture. If 2 countries with a common border cannot be the same color, in how many ways can she color the map of the island? So here's the island. We have 4 countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 4 different colors that we want to use to color the island. So we can use some or all of these colors. So first, let's say we want to use all of them. We want to use all 4 colors. How many ways can we do that? Well, that would mean that each island is a different color since we have 4 islands, 4 countries, 4 colors. So we can start with this big one here. For example, we could say we're going to color this one in turquoise. Then after that, we go to this one, and there's 3 colors left that we could pick. So we could pick any of those 3. We can say we pick yellow. Then for the next one here, we only have 2 choices. So we could say we pick green. And then the last one has to be pink. But this is only one way we could color this island. For example, this big island here, we could have made pink instead of turquoise. And then we can make this one turquoise, or we could make this one turquoise and then this one yellow. There's a lot of different ways we can arrange these colors. But let's start with the big one in the middle. Well, there's 4 options for how we color this island. It could be turquoise, pink, green, or yellow. Those are their 4 colors. We have 4 options. So there's 4 options that we get from this island. Then we go to the next island. It doesn't matter which one's the next island, because it'll be the same overall. And now we only have 3 options for what we colored this island. And that's because we have 4 colors total, but we've already used one up in coloring this island. So there's 3 colors left. So for each color that we choose, each option that we have on how to color this, there'd be 3 options for how to color this one. So we have 4 times 3 that we get from this. Then for the next island, we only have 2 choices left. And for each combination of how to color these 2, there's going to be 2 choices. So we multiply by 2. And then for this one, there's only 1 choice, whatever is left. So we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 ways. This is one of them, and we could arrange these colors in any way. And this gives us 24 ways. But we can't just answer C and be done, because we could also only use some of the colors. We have an option of not using all the colors. So if we do that, well, we can try to see what our options for some of the colors are, how many colors we can use. We can't use one color, for example, because some of these countries share borders. And if we just used one color, then we would have countries that share a border be the same color. And it says there that that's not allowed. So we can't have one. Can we do this with 2 colors? We actually can't, because if we look at these countries, we see that there's 3 countries that all share borders. For example, this country here shares a border with this country and this country. This country also shares a border with these 2 countries, and this country shares a border with these 2 countries. And so here, there's no way to arrange it with 2 colors so that no countries with 1 border have the same color. If we colored this country, let's say pink, or let's say if we colored this country blue, then we'd have to color this country pink if we're only using 2 colors. And here, now we have a problem of how to color this country. It can't be blue because it shares a border with this, and it can't be pink because it shares a border with that country. And so we can't do it with just 2 colors. We can do it with 3 colors though. For example, we have the blue country here, and we would have the pink country here. This country can also be pink since it doesn't share any borders here. So we can make that country pink. And the country in the middle can be our 3rd color, yellow. And so this is one way we can do it with 3 colors. So now we can count the ways. Well, for this country, again, we have 4 ways to color it. So there would be 4 options. For the next country, here, there's 3 colors left. We can make it any color, but except the first one. So there would be 3 ways. This country has to be a color that's different than these 2. And so there's 2 ways for it to be colored. And if we go to this one, well, this one is going to have to be the same color as this one because these are the only 2 countries that don't share a border with each other. And if we have 4 countries and 3 colors, we're going to have 2 countries that are the same color. These 2 don't share a border, so we can make them the same color. So we'll only have 1 option again, and that'll be the same one we chose there. So again, this gives us 24 ways. And when we add these 2 together, that's a total of 48 ways. So the answer is E. Thank you.